To fix the Cash App, you reached the request limit error. It is essential to understand why this issue occurs in the first place. The request limit on Cash App is a security feature designed to prevent unauthorized transactions and protect user accounts. When you attempt to send or receive money multiple times within a short period, Cash App may flag your activity as suspicious, resulting in the request limit error. This error can also occur if you have exceeded the daily or weekly transaction limits set by Cash App. To resolve this issue, start by verifying your account. If your account is not verified, Cash App will limit your transaction activity. To verify your account, go to the Cash App menu, select Profile, and follow the prompts to provide the required identification information. Next, ensure that you are not exceeding the daily or weekly transaction limits. Cash App allows users to send up to $250 within a 7-day period and receive up to $1,000 within a 30-day period for basic accounts. If you need to send or receive larger amounts, consider verifying your account to increase these limits. Another step to resolve the request limit error is to wait for a period of 24 hours before attempting to send or receive money again. This allows Cash App to reset your transaction activity and remove any temporary restrictions on your account. It is also crucial to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Cash App support immediately. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your account and reduce the likelihood of the request limit error occurring. In addition, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Cash App account to add an extra layer of security. This will require you to provide a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your login credentials, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the Cash App you reached the request limit error and continue to use the app without any issues. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and report any suspicious activity to Cash App support to prevent unauthorized transactions.